the old ponds can take more water right now.
Right, and they can take that base flow, whatever it is,
Yeah,
because when you have low flow, they took all the water anyway.
Yeah.
yeah.
So you get the high peak flow. Yeah, we had the box, this is the design of the box, we came out with the pipe here. And I'll draw this as though it were directly into the hill, although it turns and comes this way, but we only went so far in to the hill. And there was rubble in here, large sized rubble that went so far up. And so this is all now been covered with new material right here. This is surrounded by gravel. That pipe with these holes in it, we were talking about, this is the box.
Inlet to the
The
concrete
inlet to the
wall.
concrete box. This is a side view. So you kind of like that. Put the dam in the front there. The water will spill out and go. And the pipes come off the side. In any case, it confuses everything. So what I think is happening is, well, this also is kind of not doing that because the entrance was up here somewhere. And as we dug back, this water, these boulders we felt would come through here, and we wouldn't put head and back pressure on here, and it would come through. Well, apparently we have restriction right here somewhere. So you get the real high flow, there's just not enough pore space, so it's popping up here, like right on top, and then running downhill.
That's what we saw today.
You saw it.
Yeah, we saw that today.
Yeah, so that's what's happening there, and I need to go out there and survey and see how much material I'd have to move. You know, it cost me $100,000, I want to do it. You know, if I can do it for a relative reasonable cost, get the gravel hauled in, whatever size I need, get a big enough hoe in there to just move, and I can dig that out and then
In
redo
fact, there's
it.
two places, they're about 20 feet apart there.
On the same side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I haven't been there, my guy's been there. He took a picture of the biggest one, I think.
So it's breaking out two areas, is what Don said?
Yeah.
That's what he's saying, I'm
Yeah.
not sure exactly where the other area is.
One is much more flow than the other, but it's two different areas. They're 15 or 20 feet apart.
Yeah, I wonder if you don't reduce this back pressure here, if you won't take that other one away too. I'll have to see exactly what it is, because you could pipe it over there too.
So if you have a surge, it goes over the wood and.
Surge, it pops here, it goes.
Well, I mean, if it was working.
If it worked properly, it'd just go over this weir.
Yes.
You access it, go over here, and you take as much as you want on your thing, and this is the bypass.
Yeah. Hurricane weather.
So we're not obligated to do anymore, we're gonna try to do some more, and then not leave you with something you're gonna spend a lot of money trying to fix. But you gotta know the details of what we put in so you can fix it. Okay? And that's what I'm after. So that pond now, that the other scenario is the pond's if I have water in that pond, it sits there right like that. And that pipe's running a foot off the bottom. Comes through the embankment, it goes up this horseshoe. Goes out. And this water level right here is controlled by the height of this pipe. So if I have it like this, just like that, that water's going to go down the pipe. It's going in the drains. So if I lift this up, we get horseshoe higher. First, that water level is going to find that same elevation, something like that. Now you got to watch that because you got a pipe coming in, you want to go over that.
Compost is exposed in that pond.
Right, and right now at this level, when it's flowing, the compost is not exposed. That's along with the water. When it's not flowing, then the compost starts to get dry, because I think what's happening here is this water level is dropping, so it can't go out there, and the groundwater basically as this comes in, because the groundwater surges in when it's high flow, when it's low flow, it can go out. So, right, and what we had done is we surveyed where, if we can go below here,
I got an email from
if you look at Matthew,
the guy that runs the.
we looked at where the bottom elevation of our pond would be.
That thing,
And since we had groundwater in there, we were gonna take and dig low areas is to actually pipe the water out into the stream. But when we did this, the elevation to get it low enough is way down here. You know, you can't get there. So there's no way to do it, and you can't just break it out and go this way, because it's gonna leak and send everything out. And you plastic line it, you're gonna have water pushing against one, it's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen. So we've got filter fabric in there, so the water can transfer in between. So when it's low flow, you can either shut it off, or it's gonna go and treat through the limestone as it is. It still has to go through the compost to get there. But you don't have a lot of reaction time in that compost, where that takes the salt, changes it, so you don't have problems with armoring in your limestone. So that's about, of course, that drainage flies off here. This is why all the 90% configuration. You can drain it down.